About 70% of new YouTubers upload videos onto their YouTube channel from their mobile phone. One step in the uploading process is the addition of a thumbnail to their video, and I am going to show you how to upload a custom thumbnail onto YouTube from your mobile studio application. So to upload a custom thumbnail, you actually have to be connected to the internet, just like how you would have to do so when working from a PC. What you would have to do is open the YouTube Studio mobile application. You should have it installed by now. After it has loaded fully, move to the Contents tab. You can find all the other tabs at the bottom of the application. Look for the video you want to upload the custom thumbnail to and click on it to open it. In this tab, click on the pencil icon at the top of the video info. Then in the newly opened tab, this is where you can edit the details of the video like title, tags and thumbnail, which is actually what we are currently doing. Next, click again on the pencil icon, this time on the current thumbnail of our video. From here, you can add thumbnail YouTube has picked from the video itself. But to upload your own custom thumbnail, click on Custom Thumbnail, which would open our Files application. In the Files application, locate the custom thumbnail you would want to use and select it. You can now see our thumbnail has been changed from this to this one. When you are satisfied with the thumbnail, click on Done. And back to the Video Details tab, click on Save to apply the changes to our video. When we move back to the Contents tab, you can see our thumbnail has been changed. And this is basically how you can upload a custom thumbnail from your YouTube Studio mobile application. Kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. If you want to learn how to change or remove the background of an image, I will leave that video on the end card so that you can check it out. See you next time.